feeling very sad after seeing the condition of my bike. This is how it looks like. मेरे पास तो कपड़ा भी नहीं है, शायद इसमें था। इसमें लिफाफा है। वाह, तू भी सनम किसी काम आया। यस, तेल भी है। आई थिंक हमें इसको धोने ले जाना चाहिए ऊपर। लेट्स होप कि ये स्टार्ट हो जाए। ओह जी, स्टार्ट हो गई। So hello friend, this is Customer. Welcome back to our YouTube channel AK Vlogs. Braking is nice braking. HP 14A 4954. We are doing moto vlogging and the off-roading. Wow, what a skidding. Doing off-roading first day, first motor vlog, and this is how it goes. This is the road which goes to my house. नहीं गिरते। लग रहा है ओह पीछे वाला टायर स्किड हो रहा है। Nice, it is going nice. Yes. This is the road which is going to my home. Oh, very bus. No, don't skid. Don't skid. Don't skid. Don't skid. Let's do a skidding test. अब चलाओ खेत में, गालियाँ भी पड़ेंगी. ओह,
A few moments later.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. This a war zone. Yeah, feel the impact. Yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked. You're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back. Your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey, you been whacked. I kill 'em all, feel a motherfucking impact. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets red. Yo, this a war zone, homie, say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, like they fair. Caught me crawling through the mud with a vision saw clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trenched out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah,